Hi, welcome to today's one take bike tip, and we're going to talk about how to remove stubborn pedals. So I'll set this up so you can see everything. I'll just dip that down a bit. Okay, so with a pedal spanner, it sometimes can be really difficult to get leverage because you've only got that short distance to push. So what we do, and we get lots of stubborn pedals, we've got a piece of old bike frame with a similar sort of spanner attached, and it's been put in the vise and squashed to make a breaker bar. And then you can apply so much more leverage, and then you can remove the pedals. This is such an important tip. When you're fitting your pedals, make sure you put grease on the threads, because 9 times out of 10 the crank arm is aluminium and the spindle of the pedal is steel, and when those two things corrode together they sort of weld together, which can make it really difficult to get them off. But if you put a little bit of grease, a little bit of barrier grease on the threads, they should just come off easily. So make yourself a breaker bar like this and you shouldn't have any problem with pedals anymore.